Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your POCO F8 Pro into lost database on IMEI.info page. Okay, so if your device is lost, you can find your IMEI number, for example, on your phone case. Usually it's written on the side edge. That's the place where you can find your IMEI number. Then type it right in here and click on check. Now scroll down until you find the basic checks and we have lost device add. Okay, you can also type your second IMEI number and serial number if you're interested. Down below, type the city where you lost your device. Now type your mail, because it will be necessary later. We will have to verify our request. Now enter your phone number with the country code. Now the price of the value of the recovery in US dollars. Now the country where it happened. Now the description. Describe the item or circumstances of the loss of the device. In my case, I'll only place a dot in here, but remember that if your device gets lost or stolen, your description should be as much precise as possible. So you can describe the item, where you lost it, in what case your phone was, and basically as many information as you can. Now the contact name and the incident date. First type year, then month, and then the day. Select the agreements and click on Report Lost/Stolen IMEI. Okay, now we need to check our mail because it requires a verification. Okay, find the mail from IMEI.info and click on Verify your request. Okay, and now our device has been successfully added into lost database. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.